Give us the pros and cons of day and swing trading versus long-term investing.
Great. So long-term investing, just for those who don't know, I'm going to buy a stock and I'll hold it 40 years, 50 years till retirement.
Yep.
Day trading, as we said, is I'm going to buy a stock, but I'm going to trade it and make income from it.
Yep.
Right? Pros and cons of day and swing trading. One, I can use that money right now.
Mm-hmm.
So if I want to go buy a car, which I don't.
Yeah.
But if I want to go buy a car, I can.
Okay.
If I want to pay for my kids' daycare, I can. If I lose my job because I get sick, I'm still okay. Like I literally had students who got sick from COVID but were making money at home, right, in the bed.
Yeah.
So part of it is it's flexible, it's fast, you can use the money right now. It's something that you can do without a boss. Like I quit the school because I didn't want to have my boss. She was crazy.
Oh.
Yes.
She said that right here at the table. Okay.
Yeah, my bad, but really. So, no, like really though, like I would do like these big projects and she would be like nitpicky on one thing. Like I put up these panels one time and then she was like, oh no, the color of that thumbtack is the wrong color.
Wow.
Really?
Wow.
Really?
Wow.
So you don't have to have a boss. You could do it by yourself. You could do it from anywhere. Like I literally can be on my cell phone, by the way. I'm going to check in a minute.
Okay.
Make sure I make $1 million today. But
you adamant about checking that.
I'm just saying, that's a good day.
$1 million a good day. Okay, all right.
Like, yeah, you can do it from anywhere.
So let's say, okay, this individual followed what I teach, right? Get out of debt, has a fully funded emergency fund, is investing 15%, into good growth stock mutual funds and 401ks, right? And they have some extra money left over. What do you say to the individual who wants to trade, but they're scared of losing the money? They just work so hard to get out of debt, to, get a good solid foundation on their funds. They're hearing you. They want to experience that. They have a couple $1,000s to invest, but they're scared.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, because I'm going to be real with you. I'll be a little scared too, What do you say to that individual? Any
investment you take is going to be a risk. That could even be if you decide to go into entrepreneurship. The first years of entrepreneurship are hard, and usually you lose money first before you start making profit.
Facts.
With a house, I bought a house in Chicago right before the crash. The one right above me sold for $7,000 in an auction. So my value plummeted to $7,000. I'm still underwater. So real estate, not for sure either. You can always lose. Stocks, yes, you can lose, but at least you have the money in your account. So you have the flexibility to get out of the trade and do something different. So no matter what investment, there's a risk. You're if you want to succeed and be more wealthy, you're gonna have to just jump out on faith.
Yeah. One of the things that I think the problem with people who get into this space is they get into it with the lack of education. I believe in seeking wisdom and knowledge before you do anything. And I want to know, what can people get from your course? What if people say, all right, cool. I rock with Anthony, but I want to try this. I got some leisure money. I got some extra money that I want to do. Instead of buying this, I'm going to go just try this for a little bit. What kind of education and knowledge will they get from your course that separates you from other courses out there?
Yeah. The coolest thing, and this is what I've heard separates me, is that I was in the education world. I'm a teacher.
Yeah.
So, my course is built out like a solid curriculum. I literally think if you were to go and do, continued education at a college, they would give you my course.
Yeah.
So you come in first, I'm going to teach you what kind of companies to choose, because that's the first thing that goes wrong. Okay. Literally, my first big loss was because I chose the wrong company. I was like, oh, everybody has this. It's going to be great. It did not.
Like Tesla?
It was Pandora.
Is Tesla a bad choice?
No, it's not. But at the same time, it depends when you buy it.
Got you.
Last year when it was going up crazy, honestly, it still wasn't a healthy company, but it was just running.
Tesla wasn't making money. They were losing money.
They're
spending money.
They're not going to be in their valuation for years.
Wow.
So honestly, I'm not going to say what's good or bad, but I will say people trade it and make money. Is it a long-term good investment? I don't know.
Gotcha. Okay.
Their batteries, though, are really good. All the
Absolutely.
other electric cars are going to use them. So maybe for that, they are good. So
I got you.